Did you know your morning commute could become the ultimate gaming experience? What if subway tunnels transformed into elaborate underground gaming environments? Picture this. You swipe your Metro card, but instead of a boring train ride, you enter a massive platformer world. Those maintenance tunnels? They're now secret passages hiding legendary loot and rare power-ups. Every commuter becomes a player, jumping between train cars like Mario collecting coins. The mysterious pipes along the tracks lead to hidden bonus areas where you can grab extra lives and special abilities. But here's where it gets crazy. Each subway station has its own boss encounter. That grumpy ticket collector? He's now a mini-boss guarding the exit. You need to defeat him using the power-ups you collected during your journey. The deeper underground you go, the more dangerous it becomes. Express trains turn into moving platforms over lava pits. Emergency exits become warp zones to different parts of the city. Your daily commute just became an epic quest. Who's ready to speedrun their way to work?